I forgot this thing made noises. Welcome back, Transformers fans, to another All Sparks of You right here on YouTube. My name is Will, and today it's a Saturday haul. Managed to get 3 little items on my travels today, out shopping with the wife. And I managed to get a few wee things. Managed to get these, well, they're mini pretenders, that's the way I look at them. Mini pretenders, but they transform into their guns and stuff. Vector Prime, Optimus Prime. We're going to get them out of the boxes, get them equipped to Transformers, and basically that's it. I don't think we really do anything else. I never had a Pretender, so these are kind of like my first 2 Pretenders. I was never a fan of them, but they're pretty okay, as long as they're weapons, I guess. And I managed to pick up Autobot Squeaks. Now, we all know they tried to make him out to be this funny little thing in the last night. Would I have bought him when he was out brand new? No. I managed to pick him up for £10. I don't know what that'd be equivalent to dollars, like $17, $20. So £10 was the most I was willing to pay for him. It's not going to be one I'm going to transform. We'll get him out the box, have a look at him. I think he's just going to be like display, put away. I've got him in the collection, and that's that. But let's kick things off with the Power of the Prime stuff. Now, if we go for, let's go for Vector Prime. Let's get him. Right, so there's a little headmaster, or I know these things, like when they transform, when they go in, they can go in as a headmaster. I know that much. I don't know why you put that as a headmaster, but you can. And likes of Optimus Prime and Nemesis Prime, in Optimus Primal, you put them in, and I know like they do stuff for them as well. But let's get this out. Let's get this out, see what it's like. So we've got a Pretender, Vector Prime. Right, so I take there's the gun. Where would this go? Would that just go? I'd imagine that just go. And no. Ah. Right. So there's Vector Prime. Lift that up. It looks like. Or you pull that forward. Put your master in, or your whatever you want to call them. These. I'm just going to call them the Pretenders, because that's what they are, the Pretenders. And you've basically just got a gun. You've got a gun with that power source. I know, like I said, I know it connects to the, like those primes, but I'd rather just keep him as a gun. What I'm going to do, I'm going to bring back in Grimlock from past reviews, and I'm just going to give him a weapon. Grimlock never got a weapon when he came with it, and Vector Prime kinda looks like his weapon. Kinda. I know it's a double barrel blaster he's got, but we'll give him this. We'll give Grimlock this, and I think that suits him so much better. Me, Grimlock, happy I got gun. Right, let's take him away. So next we'll go for Optimus Prime. Same again, out the box. And it looks like these, I've not watched Power of the Primes yet. I've still to watch that. But I'm imagining like these are like he's an alchemist, so I imagine mystical. Vector Prime's always been like time travelling. There's his mini Pretender. Looks pretty cool. Let's bring him close to the camera. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Quite detailed. Well, actually do that with Vector, because I never done that with Vector. There's Vector, as you see. Okay, exact same again. So we've got a weapon. See where this connects. That looks like it will connect there. Looks like a dagger more than anything, just like a stabbing weapon. This I know he's a Pretender, but it looks like one of the Seacons. Like from Headmasters. No, was it Super God Force? Super Godforce, that's what I'm thinking of. That's what he looks like, but I know he's a pretender from, funnily enough, Super Godforce. Okay, so, usual again, let's get the little headmaster transformed. Put him in, close him up. Now, with the colour scheme, there's only one person I thought would suit this weapon, and I've not done a review on him. If you'd like to see me do a review on him, please let me know in the chat. You guys have been amazing. Let's bring in Takara Titan Returns Galvatron. So this is the actual Titan Returns one. You can clearly see the paint scheme is a lot different from the Hasbro. More Galvatron look to him, and more detail in his headmaster as well. So if this is something you'd like to see a review on, please let me know. But I think that looks pretty cool, having them on his weapons. So quite proud of that one. Let's look at Squeaks. Okay, proper unboxing of Squeaks. We're just going to do it right here. Let's get him out. Like I said, I'm not going to transform him. It wasn't a character I would have in the like when the toys were coming out, rush out and buy. He was not on my list, and to have him at the price I did, which I'm quite happy with. I'm happy with the price I got him at. I think that's more than enough for Squeaks. I actually got him, if you're in the UK, I managed to get him in Asda, of all places. So if you're in the UK, have a look in your local Asda. If you're after a Squeaks, you can get them for £10. And that's where I got the other two as well. I got them for £3.49. Here is Squeaks. He's okay. I wouldn't say, like I said, it's not one I'd rush out and buy. Pretty cool parts back here. What I do like you can open this up, and his other arm, you can store it. So that is good thinking. You can store that other part. You've got, what's that, a grappling thing? Look, can I shoot that out? I just want to make sure it doesn't fly. Nope, it doesn't shoot out. Okay, so let's close this back up. So he's got rocket launchers that you can fire from here going towards the screen, and he's okay. He's okay. The fact that he can house everything, I can even put his gun on his back and it sits pretty well. I'm happy with that. Like I said, I'm not overly fussed at transforming him. He wasn't exactly somebody I'd rush out to get, and I think he looks better like this. I don't think him being in scooter mode would do anything for the review. Again, it's just a haul, it's an unopening. Maybe one day we'll have him transformed, but he's okay for the price. If you can get him for the price I got him, by all means pick him up. Bring him back in Grimlock for the final shot. We've got to get him in with Vector Prime, so get that gun pointed to the camera. And the mighty Galvatron with little Squeaks. There you go, Transformer fans, that is my haul for today. As always, slap a like on the video, share it, subscribe, leave a comment. What would you like to see next? All that amazing stuff. And I will catch you soon for another revisiting, another unboxing. Maybe the hauls is something, if you like to see, if I can pick up a group of Transformers, then I can do a haul opening like this, instead of just doing one review, like unboxing review. Let me know in the comments below, and as always, thank you for watching. As always guys, thank you. I hope you really enjoyed the video. As always, like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, AllSparks Reviews, and now you can follow AllSparks Reviews on Twitter at AllSparkYT. And of course you can follow myself on Twitch at Optimus Wilbur 85. Just type that in the search engine at the top. Also a massive thank you once again to Cybertronic Spree for their amazing track, Cybertronic Warrior. I really do hope you guys check them out and give them much support and much love. One of the most fantastic bands I've ever heard and do amazing covers. So please check them out right here on YouTube, Twitter and Facebook. And as always guys, till all one.